Hello everyone, and welcome to the next in our series of daily origami for YouTube. Today we're going to continue with fun projects for kids and summer vacation and make a boat. So for this project you need one piece of origami paper. I'm going to start off by putting a center crease in the middle of the paper here. And then go ahead and open it up. Make sure your color side's on the underside. White facing up, and go ahead and then fold down to bring these edges to that center crease, and fold that top down and the bottom up. And you want to go ahead and fold these corners down. Make triangles here. And then what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and fold down again. This will create a longer edge here as we fold down just to that center line. There should be a slight little bit of overlap here in the middle. Don't worry about that. Do that for all four sides. Should then have something that looks like this. What we want to do next is go ahead and fold this part down into the center like so. Do that for both sides. You should have something that looks like this. Now the next step is a little tricky. What we're going to do is we're going to take this project and we're going to turn it inside out. So watch carefully what we do here. We're just going to open this up, and we want to actually gently fold all of this in. Try not to let any of those edges tear. Just work real slowly. We want to have this nice colored part on the inside of our boat. Once you get it turned out, go ahead and kind of crease those edges down a little bit. And in the end, you should have a boat that looks something like this. And that is our finished project for today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.